Wrap the foil around the charger wire. When removing the foil from the cable, pay attention that the foil does not open, and then use a tool to completely close one of the ends of the foil. Add some hot glue to the ice cream stick. We attach the foil to the ice cream stick. To make it more resistant, we tie the foil to the popsicle stick using a wire. Wires, and repeat this step again. Add thermal glue to the lighter. And we connect the created parts together. To make it stronger again, we connect the ice cream stick to the lighter using a wire. Pour some match sulfur into the foil. A matchstick is placed inside the foil as an arrow, and we light the lighter until the arrow is fired.